Welcome to this eye-opening exploration of AI consulting's hidden truth. Today, we delve into why many consulting firms fail to harness the true potential of AI. Their outdated strategies often miss the mark by focusing inwardly rather than on the consumer. In this video, we'll uncover the real North Pole of innovation. The first critical element of successful AI strategy is consumer centricity. Traditional consulting often emphasizes internal efficiencies, but true innovation focuses on what the service consumer values most. By aligning AI strategies with consumer needs, businesses can unlock unprecedented growth. This approach ensures that AI isn't just about automation, but acceleration towards consumer satisfaction. Nutzeffekt, or utility effect, is where AI's true potential lies. Instead of merely speeding up processes, AI should accelerate the realization of the service consumer's desired outcomes. This shift from internal to external focus is crucial for meaningful impact. By prioritizing Nutzeffekt, businesses can enhance retention, loyalty, and revenue. Discover how this approach transforms AI from a tool into a powerful catalyst for growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover AI consulting's hidden truth. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of consumer-centric strategies in AI. Remember, real innovation begins with the service consumer. Stay connected with us. Contact Tom at AllyAllez via LinkedIn.